What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you today we're going to be fixing Bitcode issue in Xcode 16 and how to resolve invalid executable errors when uploading iOS builds. Okay, have you tried to upload an iOS build and you are faced with this issue? Let's check the log. You see something like this. So I'm going to start this from the beginning. Okay, just follow my lead. So first of all, let's go to Xcode, right? By the way, this is on a script called Adforest. You can do this exact thing in any other script. It doesn't matter, okay? So, but just watch how to fix. The fix is the same thing all through. You just need to watch my fix, then you do this exact fix on your own script on Xcode, okay? So now we go to Product and click on Archive, okay? Click on Archive. So let's try to archive this product, okay? Have to wait a couple of seconds, or a minute or so it archives. I don't want to cut any part of this video. I want you to watch it from the beginning to the end. I want it to archive. Then we attempt to submit the app on App Store, and let's see what happens, okay? So when we get the error, then we get the fix. Okay. For those of you who are using Adforest to build your apps, your iOS apps on Xcode 16.3, the latest version, this is for you. But this also works for any kind of project facing this Bitcode error issue, okay? Yeah. So let's wait for the build to finish. Then we'll try to send it over to App Store and see what happens. Okay. Da, 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 da. Da, na, 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 na. Boom, 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 boom. We just have to wait a little bit for the build to finish. Okay, don't want to cut any part of the video. I just want you to see it so you can know what to do on how to fix this issue once and for all. I've seen a couple of other tutorials on the internet, but it's really not clear on how to do it. So that's why I'm trying to do this, okay? So now this is our new build that we're trying to send, the archive that we're trying to send to the App Store. So click on Distribute App, App Store Connect, click on Distribute, and now we're sending our app to the App Store Connect. So let's see what happens. Let's see if it's going to work or if we are going to be faced with an error. Sending, locating the asset, packaging, sending everything to the App Store. We gotta wait for it to finish uploading, okay? Let's see if it's gonna finish uploading or we're going to face an error. So we just wait and see what happens. You could be facing this issue on any part of the App Store connect when uploading, but let's see where I get the error from, okay? But like I said, whatever the project is, if you follow what I did to fix my own issue, your own issue too is going to be fixed, okay? I'm going to show you the correct way to get the parts, okay? How to copy the parts correctly, the code to use to clear this issue. I'm going to give it to you, okay? So let's just wait and see if we get the error or if the app uploads to the App Store. So let's wait and see. I'm not cutting any part of this video because I want you to watch it from A to Z, okay? A lot of other tutorials, they don't really let you see how it's been fully done, you know what I'm trying to say? They just cut it into parts and they make it really confusing. So the reason why I decided to make this video is because I've also suffered to fix this issue, and I finally found the perfect solution to fixing Bitcode issue in Xcode 16 and how to resolve invalid executable errors when uploading iOS items. So now we have an error, okay? It says the following issues occur while distributing your application. So you can see the issues, validation failed, validation failed, validation failed, okay? So what I easily do is, I try to copy this, but it's like you can't copy. So what I do is I just take a screenshot of the errors, okay? The errors might look different than your own, but they're still kind of the same, okay? But it depends on what part of your code is showing the error, okay? So what I do is I just copy this. No, sorry, what I do is I copy this. I have 3 errors I need to clear on mine. Then I come. Okay, guys, so what I do is I bring it to ChatGPT because you can take it anywhere. I just want to copy this out. So I check ChatGPT. I said make the image in text form, okay? Make the image in text form. So it's going to give me the images in text form. I just want to be able to copy it, okay? I'm doing everything one by one so you could see how I fixed it, okay? So this is the 3 major issues I have on mine. So I copy this, issue number 1. I bring it here and name it number 1. Issue number 2. Okay. I copy it, I bring it here. And issue number 3. So I copy it, right? I bring it here. So these are the 3 issues that we are going to fix, okay? Majorly 3 issues we're facing, as you can see. Issue number 1, you see frameworks, okay, you see it here. FBSDK core kits. The issue number 2 is FBSDK login kits, and the issue number 3 is FBSDK share kits. Okay, so how do we fix these issues now? So the way to do it, the way to do it is we try to locate where the issue is. So I go to my file where my Xcode file is, my documents, click on Adforest, right? Then click on pods. It's in my pod files, okay? Then if you really want to know where this is, okay, in yours, so you don't get confused, you could say show logs, okay? If you click on show logs, no, sorry. Okay. So basically, you'll find these files in your pod files, okay? So mine, I go to documents, I go to Adforest, then I go to pods, right? So in pods, you can see the 3 places where I'm having the issues. FBSD core kits, you see, FBSD core kits, FBSD login kits, FBSD login kits and FBSD share kit. You see it? An FBSD share kit. Okay, so knowing the locations are important. So how do we get the URL of this actual location, or how do we actually copy out this particular location? So what you do to make it easy for you, just go to terminal. Okay, click on terminal. Okay, then you click on the first one. It says FBSD core kits. So you go to FBSD core kits. So this is it here. FBSD core kits underscore basic. It's very important, man. See, there are two, but the one we're going to is FBSD core kit underscore basics. So you click on it, keep opening it. Then these two files are where we're going to make these changes. So you click on this first. You click on FBSD core kits. So you see this file, just bring it out. So now you see it gives us the path to where that file is. Okay, it gives us the path where the file is. So what you do is just copy the path. Control C, Control V. Okay, so this is the path for this first one. Okay, don't forget, we're trying to resolve this issue. It's 3 issues, but we're trying to resolve the FBSD core kit underscore basic. That's what we're trying to resolve. So I already have this code. This is the code that you're going to run. I will show you how to run this code. Okay, so what you do is copy this. Okay, come here, 1 space bar, paste this. Okay, bring this closer. 1 space bar here, bring this closer. 1 space bar here. Then this whole thing that I copied, right, paste it again in front of the -O. Okay, like this. Okay, then copy the whole thing. Control C. Then you go to your terminal. Maybe I just open terminal from the beginning. You go to your terminal. Let the terminal open. Then you paste this and press enter. Okay, that's number 1. Then let's go back to my folder. Okay, let's go back to Adforest, pods. Okay, FBSD kit core basic underscore. Click on it again. Click on this. Click on this. So now if you look at this code, you'll see that the fix we did was on iOS ARM 6.4 ARM v7, right? So now we have to do it for this one. This one, the one we just did, we have to do it for this one too. So click on this, click on this. So now we have this to see the full path, because I think most people have the issue in seeing the full path. Okay, so this is the full path. Okay, so it looks the same, but there's a difference. When you look at this iOS ARM 6.4 i386, i386, the difference here is iOS ARM 6.4 ARM v7. See, there's a difference. So you copy this whole stuff. Okay, let's rinse and repeat what we've just done. We'll take out this guy from here. Out. We'll take out this. Out. Okay, now you come here, 1 space, bring this guy closer, 1 space, 1 space, this same stuff, all of this, you copy it again, 1 space and paste it in here. Okay, then you copy all of it again. Okay, Control C. Now we'll go to terminal again. Just close the terminal. Okay, just open the terminal again, then paste this and press enter. Okay, so now what we have done is fix this issue, okay? Fix this issue. So for us to see that this issue is fixed and there are two more issues, all we need to do is go to Xcode, okay? Close your Xcode, okay? Restart your Xcode. Open your Xcode file and let it load. So we gotta wait for it to load, okay? Then go to Product, Archive, okay? Let's try to archive again our project. So now we're trying to archive our project again to see if the issue is fixed. If this issue, you know, I had three Bitcode issues, okay, but we just fixed the first one. So it means we should see only two now instead of three, okay? We should see only two instead of three. So let's just wait and see what happens, okay? I'm making this video for as long as possible so you could see everything from scratch. I'm not cutting anything. I'm making it as raw as possible so you could get this fix done and you'll be able to upload your app on the App Store very nicely and easy, okay? So it's important you take your time. You watched all of the videos step by step from what I've done. And I'm telling you, you'll be able to solve the Bitcode error issue on any project that you have on Xcode, okay? On any project you have on Xcode. The script I'm fixing right now is the Adforest classified ad script for iOS. So if you have this script and you're trying to upload your app to App Store Connect and you're facing this issue, this is how to fix it, okay? But everybody else who have this type of issue on any other script or any other code, all you need to do is to find the location of where that issue is. You pick out the location, then you use that exact code that you saw that I used, okay, this code, the xrun bitcode underscore strip -r, that's the code. Then you paste it in, then you do the -o, then you copy and paste it again in front, then you come here to terminal, put it in terminal and press enter, okay? So you have to do that for iOS RM64 AMI7, and you have to do that for iOS RM64 i386 times 8664 emulator, okay? To fix your issue or whatever version of emulator you're using. Okay, so now we have a new archive. We're trying to distribute to App Store Connect. Click on distribute and let's see what happens, okay? Let's see if we still have 3 Bitcode issues or we now have 2. If we still have 3, then the solution has not worked. But if we have 2, then it means the solution has worked. So we'll use the same method to clear the other 2 errors that I'm having, okay? So let's see what happens. Okay, analyzing package. We're gonna see what happens. So I have to wait just a little bit more. Let's see if my issue is fixed or if I'm still faced with those three errors. Okay, so let's wait and see what happens. Like I said, I'm making this video as long as possible so you could see everything. Okay, I'm not cutting any part of this video, so you could see how everything is, so you could fix your issue once and for all. It took me over 3 weeks, man. 3 weeks to be able to fix this issue. It's so crazy, man. 3 weeks to be able to fix this issue. So that's why I'm making this video as long as possible. I'm showing all the steps. Woo! Okay, so look at this. The following issues occurred while distributing the application. Did you guys realize that this error has been cleared? FBSD core kit basic is not there anymore. So now we have only 2 errors to fix. Can you see it? We got only 2 errors to fix. Okay, so now let's fix this and let's run our project. Let's go. So what do we do next? How do we fix this now? So we look at this. This one is called FBSDK. It depends on what it's called on your project. Okay, but on my project, this is what it's called. Okay, it could be different. It could be. It definitely gonna be a different file name in your project. If it's Adforest, then it's gonna be this. Okay, if it's Adforest iOS app, it's gonna be this. But if it's any other project you're running, it's gonna be a different file name. But like I said, the procedure of fixing this issue is the same. Okay, so all you need to do is just watch how I fixed my own issue. Then you look at your own framework and fix it. Okay, so now let's fix these 2 issues at the same time, but let's do one by one. So first, we'll go into my documents where my file is, Adforest. Okay, pods. Okay, so look at the pod names and see which of them is. So this one is FBSDK login kit. Okay, so FBSDK login kit. This is the one we're looking for. Okay, so you click on it, Xcode frameworks. Okay, then you come to, yeah, like we did for the other one. Then you come to this iOS ARM64 ARM v7. Okay, then we go to FBSD login kits again, open it. This file is the guy we're looking for. Okay, so you come here, just get in here, just trying to get the parts. Okay, you know, this is where a lot of people have issues trying to get the parts. They make a lot of mistakes, and that's why this issue doesn't clear. So we'll take this part, take this, copy this. Okay, we go to okay, notes where my stuff is. Okay, let's clear this old file. Okay, just watch the way I do it. Okay, so one step. Okay, bring this guy closer. One step. Okay, so this is this. Okay, then we come back here. So this is for iOS ARM64 ARMv7. So we click the other one by the side. It depends on what you have on yours, but this is what I have on mine. Click on this FBSD login kit again, then click on this guy. Okay, and just close this so I don't confuse you. Okay, then let's try to get the parts. Okay, so this is the part for this. Okay, so we could just copy this, copy the code, copy this. Okay, one step this out, then we copy this. Okay, copy here, one step, here, one step. Okay, so if we run this and we run this, it will fix the second issue. Okay, so but now we're trying to fix the second issue and the third issue. So we're just going to go back and check what the error was. So what I did now is to fix this guy, this one here, the FBSDK login kit. Okay, but we want to fix both at the same time. Okay, so we want to fix FBSDK share kits. Okay, so you come back, files, document, Adforest, depending on where the location of yours is. Oh, sorry, back, pods. Then we locate FBSDK share kit. Okay, so this FBSDK share kit, click on it. Okay, we go for iOS RM64 ARMV. Okay, click on it. FBSDK. This is the guy we're looking for. Then come here, close this, go back to terminal. Okay, then just copy this so we could get the path. So now we have the path. Okay, so come here, just get the code. This is the code that fixes this issue. Okay, so we get the code, put in here, this guy, one step, put in here. Then you go back to terminal, pick this code in terminal. You see, you come here, one step, V, put in here, one step. Okay, then we go back again. Okay, back. Then we come back. You see, we're still inside the FBSD share kit .x framework. Now click on this simulator. Okay, it depends on what the file name is on yours, but like I said, it's the same process, the same procedure. Okay, you come here to terminal. Let's close this guy, open your terminal again. Then we're just trying to get the file. Okay, so you copy this again. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. Okay, as easy as possible, as understandable as possible, so you can fix this issue once and for all, and I'll save you thousands of hours of worries, you know, thinking maybe why is this stuff not working, what is wrong with Xcode, you know, so you wouldn't face that issue anymore. Okay, so you come here, we'll pick up this file, copy, come here, one step in front of this, one step. Okay, so now we have, this is going to fix this issue for FBSDK login kits, and the next, and this code, these two code right in here are going to fix the last issue for FBSDK share kits. Okay, so now let's put in these stuffs one after the other in our terminal. Okay, one after the other in our terminal. Okay, so open terminal. Okay, carefully copy this, copy, paste it, and hit enter. Okay, that's one. Then you copy this, need to be careful. Copy this, right, paste it, and hit enter. Okay, now there's an issue somewhere. Okay, clear. Leave that for now. Okay, copy this. We'll be back to this. Copy this. Copy. See. Paste this and hit enter. Let me see. Okay. We have an error. Okay, 2 errors. Okay. So copy this. Don't worry, we're gonna get it fixed. Okay. Clear. Paste this. Hit enter. Okay, so we have error on all. Okay, so only one worked. So what we'll do is we'll copy this. Watch out how we're gonna fix this. Okay, copy this, put this guy in here, carefully copy this. Okay, carefully copy this. Okay, one step. Okay, then copy this. One step. Okay, then copy this again. One step. So let's try to copy this to fix this issue. To see, clear, or I prefer maybe we'll just close the terminal. Okay, that might be our issue. Close the terminal. Come here, put this in, and press enter. Oh God, we still have this issue. Why are we facing this issue right now? Why are we facing this issue right now? We're receiving an error. Okay, so let's clear. So since we fixed this first one, let's clear all of this. Okay, and let's do it step by step. Okay, this has been fixed. Let's come here, let's go to terminal. Okay, okay, let's come here, documents, file, pods, and we're fixing FBSD key login kit, right? FBSD key login kit. Click on this and come to the framework, open this, and we're fixing this one. We'll fix this already, so we'll fix this one. Okay, so come to terminal, put in this guy. Okay, so then we'll come here, click on run, we'll pick this guy. Okay, so we'll come here, copy, one step, copy all of this, Ctrl C, let's close this, open terminal again. Okay, put in the code and press enter. Woo! It works. Can you see? So now let's go to the next one. Okay, works. So for next one is FBSDK share kit. Okay, no, for us to be sure, let's go back in there and check those errors again. Check those errors again to be sure. Okay, so right now we'll fix this issue. Okay, you can see we fixed this issue. This is the one that is remaining that we've not fixed. FBSDK share kit framework. Okay, we fixed FBSDK login kits. Okay, so now how to fix this last error, FBSDK share kits. So we use the same method again. Okay, pick this, copy, pick this, one step space. Okay, now we're going to the files, documents, Adforest, pod, FBSD share kits, frameworks, open. We'll do the iOS ARM 64 ARM v7 first. Okay, come in here, then we'll open terminal just to get the location. The location is important. Okay, so copy this location to C. Okay, here one step one, here step 1. Okay, and then go to terminal, close the terminal, open the terminal again. Now you copy all of this code, Control C, bring it in here, Control V, press enter. Well, we still have an error again. You see, we're facing the error we had earlier again. Okay, clear. Let's do the process all over again. I don't know why, but well, we just have to try to do the process all over again and see if this fixes our issue. Okay, so set this out, copy this guy, Control C, copy this. Okay, take on this guy, copy this. Okay, press enter. 1. Okay, then come to terminal, open terminal from the beginning. Let's try to get the paths. Okay, copy, here 1 space, and here 1 space. Okay, come here, close this, open the terminal again, copy this code, paste the code, and press enter. Yay! It works. So now we have just one last fix. Okay, so we come back here, click on this. Okay, we've done this. Click on this. Okay, click on this. Then we close this. Open terminal. Try to get the file path. Okay, then always copy the code out. Okay, so you don't make any mistakes. Always copy the code out. Very important. Copy this. 1 step. Get this guy in. Okay, then copy this. Get the code. Copy. 1 step. 1 step. Okay, be very sure. See, this one is iOS error M64 error MS7. This one is iOS error M64 i36 simulator. Okay, so you copy. Control C. Go to terminal. Close terminal. Open terminal. Paste this and press enter. Woo! And now we have fixed all the issues. Okay, we have fixed the bitcode issue in Xcode 16, and this is how to resolve the invalid executable errors in your project. Okay, but this is particularly for Adforest iOS. For those who are using Adforest iOS, if you face this issue when you're trying to upload your iOS app to App Store Connect, then this is how to fix it. And for those people who are not using Adforest script, who are using a different script and are faced with this type of issue when you're trying to push your app to the App Store, this is how you get it fixed. Okay, just look at what I did. Try to get your own file path, then use my code. Okay, don't worry. In the video description, I'm going to add this code, the xcrun bitcode_strip -r. Okay, then with the -o. So I'm going to put it in the description. So all you need to do is to put it in the way I did in this video, and you'll be fine. If you did it correctly, then you wouldn't have any issues. Okay, so now let's go back to Xcode. Let's quit Xcode. Let's reopen Xcode. Okay, my file. And let's try to push the project to the App Store again, and let's see if we're still going to face the same issues. it said we had 3 issues with Bitcode issues, and with what we've done, we've actually fixed these issues. So now let's archive again, and let's send it to App Store. So now we fix these issues. I believe we don't have any issues anymore, and this project is going to be taken to the App Store Connect. Okay, so let's watch and see if what we've done was correct. If it was, then we wouldn't have any issues anymore. Okay, and if we still have any issues, we'll check what the issue is and we'll get it fixed. But I doubt if we're still gonna face any issues. Okay, so if you have a Xcode project, okay, you're facing the Bitcode issue in Xcode 16. This is how to resolve the invalid executable errors. Okay, when you uploaded your iOS builds, this is the best way to do it. This is the best video on the internet right now that you can use to fix this. Okay, I had a lot of problems, man. 3 weeks, I was looking for solutions, trying different type of stuffs. It didn't work until I had to fix it myself. I checked out some other solutions on the internet. It wasn't really clear. I didn't really know how to copy the file path, because that's where the issue is. Okay, copying the actual file path correctly and putting it into the terminal correctly and pasting it in the terminal correctly. That's where the problem is. So if you're able to do that correctly, you won't have any issues. That's why I took my time in this video and I showed you step by step how to copy the code and how to put it on terminal. I showed you how to get your correct file path and how to put it in the code and how to put it back in the terminal and press enter and fix the issue. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So our 3 issues right now has been resolved on the code, and we've resolved the Bitcode issue for this project. Okay, but this method will work on any other project. Okay, as far as on Xcode, just use my method, copy the paths correctly. Okay, go into when you receive the error, go into where the error is. Okay, look at the file path correctly, copy the files correctly and do everything correctly. Just the way I did it. Just follow everything I did. Okay, and you wouldn't have any issue. Okay, so if really the 3 issues has been fixed, we shouldn't have any problem right now. Our app is supposed to upload to App Store Connect with 0 issues. Okay, so let's watch and see. Right now our app is supposed to upload to App Store Connect with 0 issues, because the Bitcode issue has been fixed completely. We had 3 issues and we got it fixed completely. Yeah. For some people, the Bitcode error you get might just be 1. Okay, so you just get it fixed and that's it. While for some other people you could get 2, 3, 4, 5. In my case, I actually got about 3 and I fixed it. Some people could get 5. Okay, so just fix it the way I did it, one by one. Okay, and you won't have any issues. 5, 10, just fix the way I did. Use my fix one by one. Don't forget, first when you see the error, know where the error is in your file. Then you go copy the main extension, the main file, and put it in just the way I did. Okay, put in the parts correctly. Use the code that I use. The code is the same thing across any project. Okay, this code, let me show you real quick. Okay, this code, xrun bitcode _ strip -r, right? And this. Let me show you quickly how it looks like. So this is what I'm going to give you. Okay, this is what I'm going to give you in the video description. This what I'm going to give you. Okay, so this is the code to run. Okay, so you just pick the file path, put the first one here, pick the same file path again, put the second one in here, but just follow what I did in the video. You'll see how to do it and you see how to fix this issue. So like I said, with the fix that we have right now, we shouldn't have any Bitcode error issue in our project anymore, and our app should be able to upload fine and correctly to the App Store. Okay, so let's watch and see if we're going to be successful with this. But the 3 issues has been fixed. Okay, let's watch and see what happens. 3 issues has been fixed. Let's watch and see what happens. Wow, and it works. As you can see, our app is now uploaded on the App Store right now. So the issues has been fixed, okay? And this is how to do it correctly. Like I said, in any project, this is how to do it correctly, how to fix this Bitcode issue. And I wish you all good luck. And in case you use the method that I used and you're still having any issues, let me know in the comment section. In the comment section, let me see. Let me know what you used and why you're having this, still having this error. But like I said, if you follow my procedure step by step, I'm telling you, you're not gonna have any issues, and your app is going to upload to the App Store. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. See you in my next video.